Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find general settings. Now let's tap on system navigation at the top. And here we've got, obviously I've got the gesture navigation set, but if you've got the 3 button navigation, this is how it will look like. If you want to, you can also reorder the back button and the recents if you'll decide that you want to stick to the 3 button navigation. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the gesture navigation, and instead of the 3 buttons we will have this line which is responsible for some gestures, and basically now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center and release it, and as you can see we just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you've got more than one apps opened and you want to quickly change between them without the need to get back and find it again, simply swipe your finger from the left to the right on this line, something like that. Alright, it will take time to master this gesture. So this is how it works. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this gesture is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, hold your finger somewhere here. So from the bottom to the center, and after releasing you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.